Just this bench?
Yeah.
That's weird, though.
It's some kind of runoff, and they've camouflaged it. Yeah. Mayhaw. What are these?
I don't know. I was looking.
These are
I was looking at them.
pretty.
Eli. Well, don't fall.
Come look at this, Eli. Look at this pretty thing.
You weren't acting still. You get too big to be falling down just from walking.
What is this?
That's what babies do. Look at this weird tree over here.
I don't even know.
What is it?
I don't know. I'm gonna take a picture of it. It sure is pretty. I don't see a marker.
Are they flowers?
They are. Blooming in the fall.
What? They're blooming in the fall?
They're very pretty. They're kind of twisted. Look at them.
I think it's a honeybee.
Ooh, that's pretty.
Hello.
Pretty. Hello.
You recording?
Yes.
Oh.
Look, there's some berries, berry bushes.
Holly?
Looks like it.
Where's the berry bush?
There's a butterfly.
Right there.
Two of them.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa. That's cool. I'm going back to the waterfall. I need to leave.
Well, I like these. Just makes a neat little sound. I don't know what it is.
Miss.
Are we gonna play poo sticks?
What's two sticks?
That's where you throw a leaf in and see who gets down there first.
But I have nobody to play with.
You can play with me.
Look down there.
Okay.
Is your phone waterproof?
Yeah, but it's not drop proof.
Not proof.
No, if I dropped it now, it would go.
Die?
Sure is pretty, isn't it?
Yeah. Would it be safe if it fell on, if it fell in deep water and then it slowly went down?
Yeah, I think it can go about 100 feet
100 feet and
or 50 feet, but I don't ever go that deep in the water, so.
whoa, that's cool.
It is cool, isn't it? Eli, lean over one time. Good boy.